What if the very thing that excites you the most is also what's quietly destroying you? Why are we so drawn to people who hurt us? The answer is unsettling because danger often comes disguised as desire. Junk is attractive, whether it's food, a person, or an activity. If something is bad for you, it often comes wrapped in excitement and temptation. That's the tragedy of life. The best things, the ones that nourish, heal, and strengthen us, are often the hardest to choose. Take food, for example. I have never felt an uncontrollable craving for apples, but pizza and chocolate, now that's a different story. Junk food is designed to be addictive, packed with just the right amount of sugar, fat, and salt to keep you coming back for more. It gives you a rush of pleasure, but it also comes with a crash. The more you indulge, the worse you feel in the long run. The same goes for toxic people. Narcissists and psychopaths are like emotional junk food. They are engineered for maximum appeal. Charming, exciting, and thrilling at first. They know exactly what to say, how to act, and how to keep you hooked. They flood you with attention, make you feel special, and create a whirlwind romance that feels like a dream. But just like the junk food, they leave you feeling drained, sick, and full of regret. Meanwhile, good relationships like healthy food often seem boring or too much effort at first. They require patience, emotional depth, and genuine effort. They don't give you an instant rush of euphoria, but they provide long-term nourishment. Just like an apple fuels your body with vitamins and energy, a healthy relationship fuels your heart with stability, trust, and mutual respect. The problem is that our brains are wired for instant gratification. When faced with a choice between short-term pleasure and long-term health, most people lean towards what feels good right now. Narcissists exploit this weakness. They provide the emotional equivalent of a sugar rush, intense highs followed by devastating lows. They keep you hooked on the cycle, making you chase the high again and again. But here is the truth. The things that are hard at first, eating well, exercising, reading, choosing the right people, are the things that lead to a good life. Apples may not be as exciting as chocolate cake, but they give you vitality. Healthy relationships may not start with fireworks and obsession, but they give you lasting happiness. Once you stay away from junk long enough, vegetables and fruits will start tasting better. Abstaining from junk brings health, clarity, and even rewires your taste buds. The same happens with relationships. When you distance yourself from toxic people, healthy ones become far more fulfilling. So the next time you feel drawn to someone who seems too exciting, too perfect, or too intense, pause. Ask yourself, is this nourishment or is this junk? Because what seems irresistible today might just be the thing that poisons you tomorrow. Thank you so much for being here. If you are learning something and want to support more content like this, please hit subscribe. It helps more than you know. I have also written a book for people dealing with mind games and manipulation. It's called Psychological Warfare, the Ultimate Guide to Outsmarting Manipulators, your crash course in fighting dirty and winning clean. This isn't just about understanding narcissists. It is about outmaneuvering, outsmarting, and outlasting them when it matters most. Don't just take my word for it. You can read the first chapter for free. Most people freeze when they are trapped. Therapists can guide you, but they can't be your sword. You have to sharpen your own mind, and you can. If you are ready to stop surviving and start winning, grab your copy today. The link is in my bio and in description of this video. Sharpen your mind, own your life. Catch you in the next video.